Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Purna. So today we're gonna make some refried beans. This is probably common for Tex-Mex cuisine, so why don't we get into the recipe? So we're gonna start by turning on my stove. And then I'm gonna add olive oil. Then we're gonna add in some chopped garlic. This is 2 pods of chopped garlic. We're gonna add that in. And then we're gonna add 1 chopped onion. And we're gonna saute that really quick. So we're quickly gonna add 3 of our powders. So we're gonna start with some salt, some chili powder for our spice, some cumin powder. I love cumin, it's like this beautiful flavor. And then we're gonna give that another saute. Then I have some red beans over here that have been cooked. So I'm gonna dump that in. I just love red beans, they're my favorite kind of beans. So we're gonna turn this into medium heat and then we're gonna mash up our beans. So I've soaked these beans overnight and I've cooked them for 15 whistles in a pressure cooker. So I've mashed up my beans. You can mash them like 3/4 or you can mash them completely. I just love a little bit of that bean texture to be in my unfried beans. And so finally, we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice up with some cilantro. Just finish that off. My refried beans are done. So make sure to try these refried beans at your home. They are super healthy and I just love how beans add a nice flavor. So try this at your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!